what do you think is going to happen in this crypto bull run? You said you bought Bitcoin back in 12, you said?
2012.
That's pretty OG. So you've seen 4 cycles, right?
Yeah.
What can you tell us about this cycle? The one that everyone thinks is always going to be a super cycle.
I have seen multiple cycles starting from 2012. What's different about this means I haven't sold my Bitcoin till today. And Ethereum, I am long on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. For me, it's not about the, I believe I'm here for the long run. And especially about this cycle, every cycle has multiple conditions. The biggest driver of this cycle is a shift in mindset. I am hearing this in 2012. Institutions will come, institutions will come, institutions will come. Institutions have finally come. There are ETFs now. There is retail people buying. The size of the market is increasing. You have a positive policy change now. Yes, if you take a look in case of Europe and MICA, it's over-regulated and skilling innovation. But look at, possibly US, it's going to be much more friendlier. And it need not be just pockets in Dubai, Hong Kong, and Singapore where you drive the innovation. You have now the access to the biggest market in the world, the United States. And we are hearing news that China is also opening up. We are seeing a lot of positive news from India. So I believe it's the right inflection point where multiple things are at play. You have a positive government which is looking at the whole sector positively. You have the right market forces. The crypto is becoming attractive. I judge whether a bull market is come when the full page ads of newspaper happen of crypto company. That started happening. And most importantly, there is excitement in the public again in terms of buying, holding crypto assets. So I believe, yes, the cycle is here, but every bull cycle builds bad actors. I think especially for retail investors, I think it is very important to be cautious about who are the tourists and who are the builders. A lot of people burn because, it's a fad, it's a new thing, but they don't realize the difference between the tourists and the builders. My bet has been every time I have bet on a builder, I didn't sell my soul when FTX happened. It was at its lowest. I just bought more because, Solana is a brilliant community.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
And, it's where it is, and possibly I'll not sell. Maybe when, we'll see how things shape up. But focus on the builders, focus on people who have been in this space for some time and who are not tourists. I believe, the financial gain is just I would say the result of it, and not that, individuals will get. But I think most important is focus on the right people, find the differentiate between the tourists and the builders, and focus on them.
Okay. I got 3 questions for you. How long does the bull market last? Where does Bitcoin get to? And what does the total market cap get to? Right around 3.5 trillion right now.
So here is my predictions, and we can meet. I believe end of this cycle, we would be at least a 7 to 8 trillion market cap. Which I am predicting anywhere between Q2 of 2026 size.
An 18-month run from here after it's already been running for a year.
Yeah.
It's long.
Yes. And I believe that Bitcoin would be at around easily 250K plus. I do see that some other digital assets will also, go up. but just it's not an endorsement. But I strongly believe that the fundamentals for some of the stronger digital assets are kind of coming. And I believe it will be an 18-month cycle with at least a 250K Bitcoin price and at least doubling of that total market cap of the digital asset industry.
Okay, very bullish.
Yep.
And Q2 next year, interesting. And what network are you guys going to launch on?
We are multi-chain. We are our products. That's the fundamental aspect of decentralization. We have built on Ethereum, which is obviously EVM, but then we have kind of branched across various other L2s. We're also exploring chains like Solana, Cardano. The idea is for ZUSD to be available everywhere. Anybody in crypto can buy it easily through DEXs, through chains, and we are multi-chain.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.